Related to the algebra. Up to 7 points we discussed in the last class, like a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square as a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, and using that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square as 4ab. After that, in the 7th point I mentioned you about a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, first of all I am listing all the formulas, okay, and then in this 8th point we are going to discuss about a plus b whole cube and some other things, and then we are going to solve few simple problems. Okay, just okay. In the last class, 7th point a plus b plus c whole square we discussed, okay, and now as an 8th point I am going to mention you about a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube we are going to discuss in this class along with few simple problems, and afterwards at a stretch I am going to give you different problems. A plus b whole cube is just nothing but multiplication of a plus b for 3 times, so I will write it like a plus b into a plus b whole square. Yeah, a plus b into a plus b whole square is nothing but a plus b into that a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I think you are all familiar with the usual multiplication. A plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square, a into a square, a into 2ab, a into b square, and then b into a square, b into 2ab, b into b square. Likewise we need to multiply. Yeah, and if you multiply, a into a square is a cube plus a into 2ab is 2a square b plus a into b square is ab square plus b into a square is b a square plus b into 2ab is 2ab square plus b into b square is b cube. Okay, just I wrote by by moving just one step. Okay, but everything is summation, no problem. If you add a cube plus 2a square b and one more a square b will give us 3a square b plus ab square and 2ab square. Both are similar type of algebraic expressions, right? 1 and 2, 3. So 3ab square plus b cube. So at the end, what we have is a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And in a similar manner, if you find out a minus b whole cube by multiplying a minus b for 3 times, by multiplying a minus b with a minus b whole square, here a plus b with a plus b whole square, and for a minus b whole cube, a minus b with a minus b whole square. If you multiply in the same way, then you will get that expansion for a minus b whole cube as the same thing with alternate plus and minuses. That in the sense a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, and that is for a minus b whole cube. Just have a look there, okay, what we are mentioning. A plus b whole cube as this one, a minus b whole cube as this, both are same. See, if it is plus, everything is plus. If it is minus, and alternate plus and minus signs will involve here. Okay, this is the basic expansions for a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Again, there is a chance to rewrite this a plus b whole cube in different ways for different requirements. I will show all those things. First of all, have a screenshot for this. This is 8a, and the next thing is 8b. Now for 8b, I will start with a plus b whole cube. Okay. Here a plus b whole cube. Just we found it as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Everybody, just pay your attention here. How I am going to rewrite this? Yeah, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So this is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. From these two terms, there is a chance to common out 3ab, and that's why first one and last one a cube plus b cube. We have a chance to regroup, okay, to rearrange. So that's why I am rearranging it like that. a cube plus b cube plus from these two terms 3ab of a plus b. So a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b, right? And again if you make that a cube plus b cube as subject, a cube plus b cube is equals to, since we are making this as subject, send this 3ab of a plus b this side, then it becomes a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. Just observe there. Okay? And now, see a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. So, just you common out that a plus b from these two terms. A plus b times of a plus b whole cube. 1a plus b is out, then it is a plus b whole square. Minus 1a plus b is out, then it is minus 3ab. Is there anything wrong? Nothing. Then this is equals to a plus b times of, you need to think about this bracket expression. A plus b whole square minus 3ab. I am going to write directly. A plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square and b square are same, and that plus 2ab, this minus 3ab will become minus ab, and there we have a chance to write it like this, a square minus ab plus b square. You just think about it, okay? So at the end a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this is all step by step conversion, transition from one formula to the other. All these changes are very much important to identify to solve the problems. Among all those things, you need to memorize the first one. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And in some cases, we can use any one of these two. Both are same actually. So you may say a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. This is also important. And at the end, the last one, a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So with the same expansion a plus b whole cube, we have three different results, and all those three different results are important to solve different problems. For one type of problem we use the first result, for another type second one, for some type of problems we use third one, and I will give you all those problems in the next point as ninth point. Okay, so first of all have a look. This is about 8b, about a plus b whole cube, and then in 8c I will give you something about a minus b whole cube. Okay, just now have a screenshot. The same type of discussion for a minus b whole cube. See, for a plus b and a minus b, the small change is just minus sign. Okay, I am just change that. You just look at 8c. A minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Alternate plus and minus signs. And then a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube, and the last one minus b cube, and from these two we need to common out minus 3ab, then you will get here a minus b. Just observe that everything is minus here. A minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. And then if you make this a cube minus b cube as subject, you need to send it this side, then it becomes like this a minus b whole cube. If it comes this side, plus 3ab of a minus b. And in the next step, this is a cube minus b cube, and from these two terms you need to common out a minus b. In the bracket, a minus b whole square plus 3ab. And at the end, a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. Again for this a minus b whole cube also, we need to memorize these three results to solve the problems. Just a small change for a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube, that's a sign change, plus to minus. Just have a look, go with the screenshot, and if there are three problems on the board, 9a, 9b, 9c. You just look all those three problems. See, for a plus b whole cube, as I mentioned you in 8, there are three different formulas, and those three different formulas are helpful in solving these three problems. Okay, first of all you just pay your attention on 8a. For this, for a, you need to identify this particular formula. Yeah, what is that? A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus, okay, 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, see, I need to change the question just a minute. Okay, I need to write it like 48 into 13. That's a simple thing. Okay, sorry, by mistake I wrote it right. You need to treat it as 48 into 13. Right. So a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And see, you need to find the value of x from this. But here it is given like this: 13 plus x whole cube is equals to. If you use this formula, yeah, you need to write it like this: 13 cube plus 3 into 13 square into x plus 3 into 13 into x square plus x cube. Is it right? 100%. But it is given like that. Okay. As per the formula, this is 13 plus x cube. But as per the given problem, this is 13 plus x cube. You need to compare these two. 13 cube and 13 cube balanced. X cube and x cube balanced. 13 into 13 square x, 13 into 13 square x is again balanced. And you need to think about this 3 into 13 into x square and this 48 into 13. These two are not balanced, okay? You need to equalize those two to get the value of that x. So at the end, what I have to do? At the end, see, if you equalize these two, yeah, 13 and 13 will get cancelled. 3x square is equals to 48. 3x square is equals to 48, then x square is equals to 16 and the value of x is equals to 4. Is it clear? So if you do it, we will get it like that, okay? So what I am equalize these two. 48 into 13 is equals to 3 into 13 into x square at the end. 13 and 13 get cancelled, okay? And then 3 16s. X square is equals to 16 and x is equals to 4. Your answer for this problem is 4. So just have a look. To solve this particular problem, we need to use the first result of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Without this particular result, it is somewhat difficult to answer this question. Is it right? Just once again have a look. I mentioned you that 3 plus x whole cube as like that. But using a plus b whole cube, this is 3 plus x whole cube. So you need to compare this formula, this result with the given one, and on comparison, this 48 into 13 is equals to 3 into 13 into x square. If you equalize these two, you will get that x is equals to 4. There ends the problem. So for these type of problems, we need to use first result of that formula. Then think about the second problem. Okay, the first problem is over. Okay, then you need to think about the second problem. Yeah, a plus b is given as 8, ab is given as 12, and you need to find this a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube, not a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube. And to find this a cube plus b cube, we have a direct result that a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. This is the second result of that a plus b whole cube. Okay. In the previous point 8b, I mentioned you three different results related to a plus b whole cube, and I gave you three problems now on the board. See which we can use those three results. The first result is balanced for the first problem, and the second result is for the second problem. So a plus b whole cube is equals to see a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. So that is equals to 8 cube minus 3 into 12 into 8. I have ab as 12, a plus b as 8. That's what you need to solve. 8 cube is 512 minus 3 eighths is what? 24, and 24 into 12. 240 and 48, 288. So 512 minus 288, if you solve, you will get this a plus b, a cube plus b cube. So for this particular problem, this result is very much useful. Other than this, if you tried any other way, it gives you somewhat, it consumes you much time of you, okay? And second result we use it for 90. Whereas coming to the third problem, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7. See, 3 by 7 and 2 by 7 are involved in the problem. So, first of all, you need to take that a is equals to 3 by 7. Okay, a is equals to 3 by 7. I am writing here. Take a as 3 by 7 and take b as 2 by 7. Using that a and b, we need to convert this problem in terms of a and b. So, this is equals to 3 by 7 cube, which is nothing but a cube, plus 2 by 7 square into 2 by 7. Nothing but 2 by 7 cube only, okay? 2 by 7 క్యూబ్ ని అలా రాసామంతే మనం. 2 by 7 అంటే b కాబట్టి b square into b cube divided by 3 by 49. 3 by 7 into 3 by 7 అంటే 9 by 49 ఏగా, అంటే a square minus ab plus 4 by 7 into 7 అంటే b square. So a cube plus b cube, we have a formula that a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square divided by, here it is a square minus ab plus b square. These two will get cancelled, you left with a plus b. But what is a? 3 by 7. What is b? 2 by 7. And your answer at the end is 5 by 7. And that's the problem. So for this 9C, we need to utilize third result of that a plus b whole cube. Okay? So just have a look at these three problems which are related to three different results of a plus b whole cube. Just look there. Alpha square plus beta square కావాలి నాకు. Alpha square plus beta square is equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Is there anything wrong? Alpha plus beta whole square అంటే alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. నేను మళ్ళీ minus 2 alpha beta రాసే కదా, ఇందులో ఉన్న 2 alpha beta అందులో ఉన్న 2 alpha beta క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే డైరెక్ట్గా alpha square plus beta square. సో ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీటా స్క్వేర్ ఇది రెండు ఒకటే అది తెలుసుండాలి, ముందు ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ కావాలి, దానికోసమే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఇస్ గివెన్ యాజ్ 6. సో 6 స్క్వేర్ minus 2 into alpha into beta is 7. So that is equals to 36 minus 14. So you just simplify it. 36 minus 14 is how much? 22. So alpha plus beta 6, alpha into beta 7. అప్పుడు ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీటా స్క్వేర్ ఎంత అంటే 22, just by the direct result. Okay, and the next thing is alpha minus beta కావాలి. Okay, how to find this alpha minus beta? Alpha minus beta find out చేయాలంటే we need to use this particular formula. Alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha minus beta whole square is equals to 4 alpha beta. So we have this particular formula from previous class. So alpha plus beta whole square is 6 square minus alpha minus beta whole square is equals to 4 into 7. I need alpha minus beta whole square. That 4 into 7 this side. 36 minus 28 is equals to alpha minus beta whole square. And that alpha minus beta is equals to alpha minus beta whole square is equals to 8, and alpha minus beta is equals to square root of 8. So at the end alpha minus beta value anta ante root 8. Okay, next one is alpha square minus beta square. Every problem needs a formula. Okay, alpha square plus beta square is just nothing but alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. Alpha plus beta is equals to as given 6, and alpha minus beta is we found it as root 8. So 6 into root 8 is alpha square minus beta square. And then we need to find what? Alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, next step lo alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 చూద్దాం. Okay, I am erasing this for the space concern. And now alpha cube plus beta cube, just ఇప్పుడే ఫార్ములా చెప్పాంగా, ఏంటది? alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta 6 ఉంది, alpha into beta 7 ఉంది. డైరెక్ట్ గా రీప్లేస్ చేస్తే alpha cube plus beta cube మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో alpha square plus beta square, its the formula is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha minus beta కావాలనుకోండి, we need to use this formula. Alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha minus beta whole square is equals to 4 alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square కావాలనుకోండి, alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. Alpha cube plus beta cube కావాలనుకోండి, alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta of alpha plus beta. And all these formulas are useful to answer. Okay, just have a look, go with a screenshot, and then I will give you the next problems. In A, B, C, D, 4 problems we did. Okay, now E, F, G, H, another 4 problems. alpha power 4 plus beta power 4, alpha cube minus beta cube, alpha power 4 minus beta power 4, and alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. I will give you explanations for one and everything, okay? Alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. How to find this alpha power 4 plus beta power 4? Already we found that alpha square plus beta square is equals to 22. Okay? You just do squaring on both sides. Okay? If you do squaring on both sides, alpha square plus beta square whole square is equals to 22 square. Is there anything wrong? No. And then alpha square plus beta square whole square. See, alpha square is one number, beta square is one number. Alpha square whole square is alpha power 4. Then 2ab is 2 alpha square beta square plus beta square whole square is beta power 4 is equals to 484. I need alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. So alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus 2 times of alpha square beta square is alpha beta whole square is equals to 484. And that alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 is equals to 484 minus 2 into this alpha beta is 7, so 7 square. So that's what you need to simplify. If you simplify it, you will get your answer, okay? 484 minus 2 into 7 square. Then alpha cube minus beta cube. But alpha cube minus beta cube को direct formula use చేయాలి. ఏంటి formula alpha cube minus beta cube की? Alpha minus beta whole cube plus 3 alpha beta of alpha minus beta. ఇందా మనం 8th పాయింట్ లో చెప్పుకున్నాం, ఓకే? ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఆల్ఫా క్యూబ్ మైనస్ బీటా క్యూబ్ ఇస్ ఆల్ఫా మైనస్ బీటా హోల్ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 3 alpha beta times of alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta we found it like root 8 whole cube plus 3 into alpha beta is 7 into alpha minus beta is again root 8. Root 8 whole cube, root 8 root 8 root 8. Root 8 and root 8 is 1 8 again with a root 8. So this is 8 root 8 plus 27 root 8, and on simplification this is 29 root 8. So alpha cube minus beta cube ki formula, if you memorize this formula, then it is directly we will do it, okay? And alpha power 4 minus beta power 4. See, alpha power 4 minus beta power 4 is nothing but alpha square whole square minus beta square whole square. See, alpha power 4 alpha square whole square, beta power 4 beta square whole square. This is equals to alpha square plus beta square into alpha square minus beta square. Same a plus b into a minus b as a square minus b square formula. And that is equals to alpha square plus beta square మనం find out చేసాం 22. Alpha square minus beta square also we have it as 6 root 8. So 22 into 6 root 8 if you multiply, and that is the answer for that alpha power 4 minus beta power 4. Okay, just have a look and then we need to go alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. So alpha plus beta and alpha beta are given, and we need to find alpha power 5 plus beta 5. ఈ రెండింటిని యూజ్ చేసి from these two we already found that alpha square plus beta square is equals to 22, and from these two we found already that alpha cube plus beta cube also. Yeah, alpha cube plus beta cube then simplify చేయలేదు, okay? Now it's we need it to simplify. Alpha plus beta whole cube, okay? 6 cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. 216 minus 3 6 is 18, 18 sevens. 18 sevens is how much? 70 and 56, 126. So on simplification we get it as 90, okay? Is there anything wrong? 6 cube is 216 and 3 into 7 into 6, 18 sevens, and then 860 and then 56. Okay, 116, okay. 6 3 is 18, okay? 18 into 7. Yeah, 70 plus 56. 70 plus 56 is 126. Oh. This simplification is 90. So alpha cube plus beta cube is 90. Alpha square plus beta square is 22. Now alpha power 5 plus beta power 5, you just think about this alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. So direct formula, we don't have any direct formula, but we need to generate that formula. To generate it, you need to multiply first alpha cube plus beta cube into alpha square plus beta square. We need to multiply these two. Yeah. If you multiply these two, what will happen? If you multiply these two, alpha cube into alpha square. See, I am rewriting here alpha cube into alpha square as alpha power 5 plus alpha cube into beta square as alpha cube beta square plus beta cube into alpha square as beta cube alpha square plus beta cube into beta square as beta power 5. Just we multiply these two. And now alpha cube plus beta cube is 90. This value is 90. So 90 into alpha square plus beta square is 22. This value is 22 is equals to, in these four terms, I need to find alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. So make it a group plus alpha cube beta square and beta cube alpha square. From these two terms, you just common out alpha square beta square. Alpha square beta square of alpha plus beta. So this implies 90 into 22, if you simplify, 9 2s is 18, 1980 is equals to alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 plus alpha square beta square is nothing but this 7 square into alpha plus beta is 6. I need to find this value, okay? Send this product 49 into 6 this side. Therefore, alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 is equals to 1980 minus this 6 into 49. 6 into 49, 6 into 50 is 300 and then we need to subtract 6, okay? 300 minus 6 is what? 244 and that is your answer, okay? For alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. Okay, just have a look once. To find alpha power 5 plus beta power 5, first of all you need to use this alpha cube plus beta cube and alpha square plus beta square. Multiply these two and then you just get that alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. Okay. Now I have 4 more problems on the board. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, alpha square beta plus alpha beta square plus alpha beta, alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1. All these problems are very simple. No need to utilize any formula. It is enough to use the direct results. That's enough. Okay. Can I give you the solutions? Very easy, okay. For 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, see, you just do LCM. If what it happens, see, 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. See, the LCM of these two numbers is alpha beta. I will write it like beta plus alpha. So beta plus alpha by alpha beta is the same thing. So your answer is 6 by 7. There is the first problem. And whereas the second problem again, you just took LCM as alpha beta. Here beta is there, so multiply with alpha, alpha square. Here alpha is there, multiply with beta, beta square. And now alpha square plus beta square, I have it as 22 by 7. There is the second problem. Coming to this, alpha square beta, alpha beta square and alpha beta. So if you observe these three terms, alpha beta is a common number. If you common out alpha beta, from here alpha is there in the bracket, from there beta is there in the bracket, and from here alpha beta is out, so 1 is there in the bracket. So alpha beta is 7, alpha plus beta is 6 plus 1. So 7 into 7 is again what? 49. There is the problem. And now alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1, you just directly multiply. Alpha into beta, alpha into 1. 1 into beta, 1 into 1. If you multiply alpha beta plus alpha into 1 plus 1 into beta plus 1 into 1. This product is that. And at the end alpha beta is how much? 7. Plus alpha plus beta is how much? 6 plus 1. On solvation you will get it as 14. So there ends the way of finding these simple values. Okay.